In this video, I'll detail how to change iPhone wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18. So basically here, if you're using iOS 18 and you want to change your wallpaper background from whatever it is to your choice, whether to your photo or a design you like or artwork, then you can still do this in this video. This is not going to affect your iPhone lock screen. You can still have your lock screen just as it is. So if at the end of this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do, when you want to change wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18, is go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, just need to scroll down and click on wallpaper. Then here, you can either edit the existing wallpaper or set a new wallpaper. Now, to change wallpaper on existing wallpaper on your iPhone, just click on customize on the wallpaper. This is your lock screen and this is wallpaper. Click on that. And here, you'll be able to customize this. To do this, all you just need to do is click on photos and you'll be able to select whatever you want to use here as your new wallpaper. So let's say I want to select this, then that is it. Then click on the done button. That is going to set as the new wallpaper on your iPhone on iOS 18. You can also choose to blur the background just like this, but to make the wallpaper visible on your iPhone, make sure the background is not blurred. Now click on the done button at the top right as well. Then if you go back to your iPhone home screen, this is what you're going to see. You should see the wallpaper change to this. See that? So another way you can use to change your iPhone wallpaper is directly from the iPhone lock screen. Just press the side button like this. Then unlock your iPhone with your Face ID or Touch ID. Press and hold the iPhone screen. Then click on Customize. Once you selected that, select Home Screen here. Now once you selected Home Screen, you can just repeat the same process repeated earlier on to change the wallpaper color, the wallpaper pair, or choose a photo of your choice. And then set a new photo here if you choose to do that. And I'll just do that by clicking on that. Click on this photo icon, then come here again and select the photo you want to set as your new wallpaper on your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on the done button. Once you select the done button, click on the done button again. Then after that, this wallpaper should be set as your iPhone new wallpaper. You see that? So that's how you can easily change your iPhone wallpaper on iOS 18 or earlier version. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.